Welcome everyone to this tutorial. This tutorial is based on changing your backdrops. So if you want to change the scenes by switching the backdrops, then what can be the code? So now in this tutorial we'll learn how we can have the different scenes one after the another, and it's very important if you are designing a bigger project. So the very first step is we'll have the name as changing backgrounds. Fine. The next step is I'll just remove this sprite, and now what I'm going to have is I'm going to choose two backdrops for this. So I'll just go here and I can select any of the option available. So I can have some beach option, that first backdrop is someone is on the beach. Then I can have another backdrop like we are on castle, and the third background is we can on the farm. So we have three backdrops here, and now I just want to have, if you just go here to the backdrops option, you can have all these backdrops 1, 2 and 3. So at any moment of time you want to delete any backdrop, you can simply delete it from this sequence. So I'll just go to the code option. I'm having three backdrops. One is beach background, another is a castle background, and third one is a farm background. Now what I'm going to do is I'll select one of the sprite, one of the character who is telling us about everything, that how the scenes are changing. So here we are going to select people option, and you can have all these options. So you can have any of the given options there. So I'm selecting this elf. So she is here, and now what we can do is when someone click on the flag, I'll just go to the events. When someone click on the flag, then what should be done? One background should be there. So for that you are going to select the looks, and here we'll find one of the options, that is switch background to. So here are the background option of switching, and you can select your particular background which background you want to select out of 3. So first of all I want a beach background. I want to wait here for some time. Fine. So okay, what I'll do is I'll put this one option where I'll say hi everyone. I'm designing it like a story. I am at beach Rio. Fine, and this can be done for 3 seconds. I'll wait here for 2 seconds. Now for the wait option, you can have this control option, that is wait. You can wait it for 2 or 3 or 4 seconds. I will be here waiting for 4 seconds, and then what should be done? It should switch again to some backdrop. So then after that we'll select castle. Fine, and then I want to say that this is the way to my castle. Very simple. I'm just designing it like a story. You can do it at your end. And then we'll wait for some time. I'll go to the control option, and I'll just select drag and drop here. I'll have this for 3 seconds. Let's suppose this is for 2 seconds, that is this is the way for my castle. And again then I just want to select the third background, switch to farm, and here I want to say here's my farmhouse. This is for 2 seconds. This will be displayed for 2 seconds, and then I'll just say simple this. Come, we will party here. Fine, and this can be displayed for more than 4 seconds. So in this way, you can have a scene or a story with different backgrounds. I'll just click here. Hi everyone, I'm at Beach Rio. This can be displayed for 3 seconds. Then this is my way to castle. This is for 2 seconds, and then it is like this. So if I just go to the backdrop here, okay, I'll just select the backdrops. So here in the beach row, I just want to position it here. That is fine. Then again, if I select the backdrops in the castle, it's fine, and in the farm, it's fine. So everything is fine if I talk about the backdrops. And then if I talk about the sprite, if I just go to the code and I select the sprite, it will be like this. So now I'll select else, and this is the whole code. If you want to increase or decrease the size, you can do that. The amount of seconds for every scene, you can just click here, and this is how it is working. So in this way, you can design your scenes with changing backgrounds. Stay tuned for more fun. Thank you for watching.